Welcome back, you guys. Sean Casilli here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today is Friday, June 19th, 2020. And I got some real estate related headlines that I want to cover with you guys today. But before we jump into that, if this is your first time to the channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification. Give me a thumbs up and share the content if you find it valuable. So without further ado, let's get back to those headlines. Realtor.com reports that buyer searches are up 13% in the suburbs. I've been talking about this for a while, you guys, that it seems like there's a trend of people leaving densely populated areas and they're looking more to the rural and suburban areas. Well, check this statistic out. Realtor.com claims that rural listings saw a 16% jump in interest between May 2019 and May 2020. I don't know if this has more to do with COVID-19 or the recent fad of the new hobby of FPV drone racing. No, I don't have one yet. It's on my wish list. Maybe in a couple of years or something, I'll have more time to do that. I don't know. But I do think that when people are working from home, they're feeling more confined in their spaces and they want more room to spread out. And the prices are generally a little bit lower in rural and suburban areas than they would be in densely populated metropolitan areas. So another bit of good news here. Well, I guess that's good and bad news, that last topic, because if you own property in a metropolitan area that is densely populated, that could affect pricing. Hopefully not. Sorry. I'm excited because we live in suburban areas here in Panama City Beach, Florida. Yes, we do have the condos, but there's a lot of rural areas here as well, just a few minutes north of the beaches. Anyways, I feel like a parrot again with this one. Mortgage rates hit new record low. I can't count how many times I've said this in the last few months, but here it is again. Since Freddie Mac has been even tracking interest rates, we've hit an all-time record low. By the way, they started tracking them in 1971. So this is big news. 3.13% for a 30-year fixed. And let's see here, 2.58% is the average on a 15-year fixed rate. That's bananas, you guys. Now is a great time to buy. And this last topic that I want to cover is showing there's a little bit of concern with home sellers. Okay, so the headline is, seller advice, no need to fear pandemic era price cuts. Many sellers worry that they'll get less money for their home if they list it during the pandemic. But according to LendingTree, and 70% of current sellers say they'd accept a lower price right now. Whatever their motivation is, 70% of them say they would take it. But the survey also found that those price-cutting fears aren't realistic. And it's true, you guys. You know, we've seen in Florida alone, we've seen a 6% on average across everything. The median sales price for single-family existing homes went up 6% in the last year. So it's now at $275,000 across the state. We are seeing a shortage of inventory, and this is directly tied. I'm positive about this, that it's because of people fearing that they're going to have to sell for a lower price during this pandemic. But as we are seeing from the data, prices are not going down. They are continuing to appreciate. So don't be afraid to put your home on the market. If you are in the Bay County, Panama City Beach area, and you need to sell your property, or you would just like to, give me a call. Contact information is below. Search for us online, Bay Real Experts. We would love to talk to you guys. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. But in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what subdivision or what stats you want me to pull. I know I got one for Lake Town Wharf that is due, and I really will try and get to that tomorrow. But this was just really exciting news with the interest rates being down so low. I had to cover that today. So maybe Lake Town Wharf tomorrow? Teaser, teaser, teaser. Talk to you guys next time. Bye for now.